Good evening students again. So I hope you have practiced the previous questions I have done in 8.4. Today we are going to discuss the last 6 parts of the question number 5 from part 5th to part 10. These are the very important question. Let us discuss it. The first question is now on your screen. So the question says, prove that this is equals to this one by using this identity. Now there is a problem is, here is cross and sine and we have to use the identity cos x square. For this I will take left hand side and write divide numerator and denominator by, I have to find the form in the cosec and cot. If I divide 1 by sine, I will get cosec easily. So divide by sine A, I will get cos A upon sine A minus sine A upon sine A plus 1 upon sine A. Similarly, this will be cos A upon sine A plus sine A upon sine A minus 1 upon sine A. Now you know cos upon sine is cot. Sine se sine cancel, it will be 1. 1 upon sine is cosec. So I write here first cosec A minus 1. Similarly, here sine se sine cancel out, become 1. This is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. I hope you understand what I have done. Now, by this identity, I can say cosec square A minus cot square A will equals to 1. So, using it on the numerator, I can say this is cosec A plus cot A as it is. Change 1 as cosec square A minus cot square A. I am just changing it on the numerator, not in denominator. If we required, then change in the other steps if required is there. Now it can be done as cosec A plus cot A common out, because it is a square minus b square, तो a plus b इधर भी होगा और इधर भी a plus b है, मैंने बाहर ले लिया. I have that 1 minus cosec A minus cot A whole upon, this is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now it is cosec A plus cot A as it is. This will become 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Similarly, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. You can see this bracket and this bracket is same, but the term are altered and nothing is there. So these full bracket will be cancelled out. I will get cosec A plus cot A, which is our RHS. Hence proved. Now the sixth part, prove that the left hand side is root 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. When there is a root in the question, just rationalize the denominator if possible. So I just rationalizing the denominator with the 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A, due to which the upper part will become, numerator is 1 plus sine A whole square, and the denominator there is a range formula A minus B means A square minus B square. So it will become 1 plus sine A whole square. You know that 1 minus sine square is cos square. So the denominator will become cos square A. Now due to the root, the upper part comes from the root is 1 plus sine A. Similarly, the lower part becomes cos A. Put the cos first in 1 and then upon cos A. 1 upon cos A is sec A and sine upon cos is tan A. I hope you learned the formulas so you know how it is. Hence, it is RHS. Now the seventh part is we have to prove that it is equal to tan theta. You don't know the formula of sine cube or cos cube, but in numerator we can see the sine theta is common. Left hand sides में I take sine theta from the numerator, it is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Similarly, in the denominator cos theta is common, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now, मुझे RHS में चाहिए tan theta and this sine upon cos make the tan. It means this part should be cancelled out. For this, I just do the simple method. I know that sine square plus cos square is always equals to 1. So I change this one as sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine square theta as it is. Similarly, in the denominator, this 2 cos square theta as it is, this one will change as minus sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now this sine theta is as it is, cos square is as it is, positive. From minus 2 sine square is cancelled, it is become minus sine square theta. Here 2 cos square theta में से 1 cos से जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? cos square theta बचेगा मेरे पास. This is cos square theta minus sine square theta. This whole bracket will cancel out. I just get sine upon cos, which will equals to tan theta, which is our right hand side. So very important question it is. We have to prove 7 plus tan square plus cot square. From the left hand side, by using the formula a plus b whole square, I can write it as sine square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sine a cosec a. Similarly, again this is cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. Now you know sine square plus cos square is 1. This is completed. In the right hand side, I don't need the cosec square. So I can write it as 1 plus cot square. You know that cosec square is 1 plus cot square plus 2 sine a as it is. Cosec can be written as 1 upon sine. This cos square is already used plus sec square. Again, sec can be written as 1 plus tan square. Similarly, 2 cos a as it is, sec can be written as 1 upon cos. बस इतना सा ध्यान रखो, आंसर आ गया आपके पास. कैसे? साइन ए से साइन ए कैंसिल आउट, क्रॉस ए से क्रॉस ए कैंसिल आउट. नाउ व्हाट आई गॉट? 1 1 2 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. This is 7 plus this is cot square a और इधर बचा ये tan square a. which is equals to RHS, hence proved. Now the question number 9. In the left hand side, again cross set can be written as 1 upon sine minus sine A. Set can be 1 upon cos minus cos A. By taking LCM, it will become 1 minus sine square A. Similarly here, it will be 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus sine square is cos square upon sine A. Here this is sine square upon cos A. You know the formula, 1 minus sine square and 1 minus cos square. This cross is square cancel out. From this sine, this square is cancelled out. I will just get cos A into sine A. Now this is the simplest form. I can't use more than. Now I am going to RHS. This is 1 upon 10 can be written as sine upon cos. Similarly, this is cos upon sine. Taking the LCM, that will be cos A sine A. It will become sine square plus cos square. Because there is a fraction in the denominator, so this will goes to upper. It will become cos A sine A upon sine square plus cos square. You know that it is equals to 1, so it will be cos A sine A, because we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. That is why same. So we can say left hand side is equals to right hand side, hence proved. In this question, we have to prove that this will equals to this and this is also equals to this. For this part, you have done in question number 4, part 4 of the exercise 8.4. Same question it is, and we have done it to find out this is equals to this one. In my previous lecture you can see. Now I have to just done it to prove that this is equal to this. For this I can take as 10 can be written as 1 upon sine upon cos. 1 upon 10 as it is. Cot can be written as 1 upon 10 whole square. Now taking the LCM, upper part numerator is as it is. In the denominator, LCM is 10A. This is 10A minus 1 whole square. This 10 will go upside, that will become 10A into 1 minus 10A upon 10A minus 1 whole square. By taking minus common, as so you can say minus 10A minus 1 upon 10A minus 1 whole square. This will be cancelled out. I have just read 10A minus 10A whole square, and we know that the square of any negative number is always positive, so it will be 10 square A, which is RHS. This part you can see my lecture. You will get the question number 4, part 4, solution of it. So today we have done the exercise 8.4. The chapter number 8 has been completed now. We practice it, and if there is any problem, then you can comment me. I will solve it as soon as possible. Till then, practice. Bye.